Hello everyone, this is Ramesh Kumar and you're most welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video, I will discuss about some question of SQL. So we can know that we have covered how to create table, how to delete table, how to insert table, and we are able to creating a table. So इसमें आप practice करके हम देखेंगे. So let's see. So जैसे कि our first question is write a query to display name from student table. So guys, I already create a student table on my database. So मैं आपको दिखा दे रहा हूँ कि कहाँ पर मेरा student table create करके रखा हुआ है. So first of all, if you want to go on any database, then we write down use and database name. So my database name is Ramesh. It is my database name. Okay guys. So run this query. Query completed. After that, I may show how to create my table. Select star from student. Students. Okay guys. So when we run this query, then showing all details of student table. Yeah, you can see that roll number, name, branch, phone number, address, age, salary, department number. Okay, so our first question is write a display name from student table. So we want to print on name, so we write down select. What will we select? Select name, comma, what, nothing, name from student table. So our students. Okay, it is our student. So when we run this query, then it is showing all name of a student table. So you can see that Sumit, Syam, Ramesh, Ritik, Sumati, Amit, Anjali, Kavita, Rahul. It is our student's name. Okay guys, you understand? If you have any doubt, then ask in comment section. Okay, next question हमारा क्या है? Next question, write a salary and branch of student table. Salary and branch. Okay guys, so select. What will you select? Salary. Select salary, comma, branch. Where select? From. Which table? Student table. Okay guys, run this query. Yeah, you can see that salary and branch will be printed. Next question. Next question is write details of student table. I already said that details of all student table is a select star from table name. So that is showing all details of student table. And next question, write a query to display name, age, address from student. So write down a query name, age and address. Okay. So select what? Name, comma, age, comma, address. Where? From. Which table? Student table. Okay guys. No problem, we can see that query printed because I make a mistake on my spelling correction. Yeah, so name, age and address. This is not this. Okay guys, when we run this query, then it will be printed successfully. Yeah, you can see that name, age and address. Okay guys, our next question. Next question, you can see that our next question is write a display roll number, salary, department number along with annual salary. So guys, annual salary means कि हमारी जो मासिक वेतन होता है उसका कितना होगा. So इसमें हमको प्रिंट करवाना है रोल नंबर, सैलरी भी, डिपार्टमेंट नंबर और उसकी एनुअल सैलरी भी प्रिंट करवाना है. सो देखो ये कैसे हम करेंगे. सो सबसे पहले रोल नंबर, सैलरी, डिपार्टमेंट नंबर. ओके ओके गाइस, क्या का प्रिंट करना है हमको? roll number, select roll number, comma salary, comma department number, comma along with salary, annual salary. So if you want to print it on annual salary, then we are salary multiply by 12 from student. Okay guys, you can see that when we run this query, yeah, you see that first of all roll number is this, salary is this, and department number is this, and annual salary. So first of monthly salary is 2000, so annual salary 24,000, and 25 then 30,000. So it is our annual salary. If you want to print an annual salary, then we multiply 12 on salary. Okay guys, and our next question is what? Next question is a write a query to display salary and salary with 20% hike. So guys, 20% you want to salary with 10%, 20% hike, and 20%, this is a mistaken deduction. It is a not hike, it is deduction. Okay, so 20% hike. So if you want to 20% hike salary, then we write down what is the question for that? Question is write a name salary and salary with 20% hike. So salary and salary 20% hike. So guys, select, we first of all we select salary, comma 20%. So salary plus 20% salary divided by 100 plus salary. I think our query is perfect. Maybe what's showing that? Oh no, from student table. Sorry for that. From students. Okay guys, let's see. Yeah, you can see that. So first of all, I want a 20% salary plus 20 divided by no, it's taking some issues. Yeah guys, you can see that. Okay guys, so our next question is a hike completed, and next question is how to 20% deduction. So if you want to deduction, then we write down negative of this. Okay guys, and when we run this query, then it's showing what deducted. Yeah, so first of all our salary is 2000, and when 20% is deducted up from our salary, then it become 1600. So that's all about today practice. And guys, if you like my video, then please like, share and subscribe my channel. Also watch many job updates, and we are also going on a SQL series, so you can watch every video for this. And if you like my video, then please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching this.